Hello guys, how are you guys? And I'm really super excited about today's video. So today what I'm going to do is the jewelry haul. These are the jewelry that I got. I think it's a mini haul in fact. Jewelry, I mean gold jewelry is really expensive, really expensive. So it's going to be a mini haul. I'm just giving you a heads up. And this is jewelry like I brought for myself and also for my kid because her birthday is coming in November, her second birthday. So most of these are for her, but there is one item that I got for myself, so I'm going to share with you guys. So it's going to be really fun, so stay tuned for that. And I'm really excited because I never done a jewelry haul like on my channel, so I'm really excited for that. And also I'm excited, I get that satisfactory kind of feeling and really happy kind of feeling whenever I do like gold jewelry shopping or share with my friends. So I'm really excited. So I got this from Joy Lucas. The first thing that I see is this, and I am really excited for this one, and that is this earrings. How cute are they? Like, look at this. I really wanted to have these for really long, but I never got chance to get them. But finally I got these, so really excited for this. So it's kind of big for my face, I guess, but who cares? I love it and I want to try it. And this is how it looks. I need to share with you guys some funny stories of what happened last night. So once I got it, so I can't control my excitement once I buy any cool item, so I have to try it immediately. So I did try both the earrings, just one. So I just removed this and then put this on last night, like it was like this. So but I always have a question that my husband doesn't observe me at all. So he doesn't pay attention like what I'm wearing, my jewelry or anything. He doesn't pay attention. To be frank, most men won't. And I have a proof for that. Okay. So yesterday what I did is I left this earring as is, but I just replaced this one with this earring or ear top. And then I had that question like, do he really observe my jewelry? So that's when I tried to trick him and ask like, I just was holding this one which I have been wearing this for a month. Trust me on that, I have been wearing this for a month. So I just put it like this and I asked my husband, so how is my new jewelry? So do you like this earring? And he was like, yeah, it's good. So mind you, he was looking at the jewelry that I have been wearing for a month, over a month. And he looked at this and then he told, yeah, it's good. And then I asked him, are you sure? Did you take a look at it? And he was like, yeah, I did. It's really good. That's his expression. And then I turned this side and he's like, okay, so which earring are you talking about? You need to see his face. He was like really so confused and he was like, oh shit, I didn't know, like already she was wearing this and this is the new earring. I didn't observe this. You need to see his face. So story short, okay, so this is the earring that I got. Really pretty. See that? Wow, I love this one. Okay, so these are the earrings. Okay, so this is the ruby in here, and there is like cubics, zircon, kind of white stones in here, and here are the South Sea pearls. So here are the earrings. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's see what we have next. Next up, we have this. So this is both for my kid and also for me. I really wanted to have this for so long, and this is the okay, and this is the hair accessory for your middle part. So you could let me show this one more time real close. So it has like that ruby and emerald kind of stones and pearls, South Sea pearls, really cute and really pretty. So this is how it looks. See that it comes with a hook. So this is how it looks. How pretty is that? Wow, I really love it. So this is the one. So here is the earpiece. Sorry, not ear. What is that? Hair accessory that I got. Okay, and next, these are for my kid, not for me. And these are her bangles. So these are so, how cute are these? So I'm going to include the picture. She looked so happy to wear this. I really loved her expression. Gaju. So these are the bangles for her. I'm going to show this real close. So this is how it looks. And if you're curious like how much weight this is, I think this is 22 carats gold, and this one is 8 grams and this is 8 grams. Actually what happened was, like, earlier we got her some other bangles that looks like some kind of pipe, and then you could extend it, and the salesperson told it's going to last her for whenever she would grow, like at least 5 years, but that did not last for her for a year. It did not even last for a year because that actually broke, because kids, you know. So I thought like maybe she need more like maybe a little, not that skinnier kind of bangles. That's the reason I got this. Not sure how long this is going to last, but this one I brought, like that one, both of them were 8 grams, but this one, each one is 8 grams. So this is 8 and this is 8. Hopefully this would last at least couple of years for her. I hope so. Okay, and this is totally for her, so it's not going to be fit in any way. Maybe for earrings. I don't know. Okay, and next, this is not gold, but this actually I gave to a goldsmith and customized for her. These are her sterling silver anklets. So this is how it looks. So it's so pretty. So this is how it looks. So these are her anklets. So she used to have anklets, but even those were broken. So kids, they always break things, so not a new thing. So this is the reason. So I, this time around, I gave it to goldsmith and customized it with more silver in it, because the ones that we get in shops, those are like, they look kind of thick but not much silver in it, and kids, you know how they are, they would break things. So that's the reason I gave it to a goldsmith this time around, and made this customized for her, so such that this would last long for her, this one as well. So these are the anklets. It has that jingles and that sound, so at least I would know. So this is the indication for me when she was like a baby, or whenever she's crawling and walking but she couldn't talk yet, and then by her anklet sound I know where she is. So I'm happy to get this back, because sometimes even though she knows that I'm calling her by name, she doesn't want to respond. So I'm happy to get this. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you had fun in this video. So these are all the items that I got. So these are the earrings for me, and this one for me and also for my kid, and these are the bangles for her. So here are the bangles, and here are the anklets for her. So well, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see further. Well, that's it for today, and hope you have an amazing and wonderful day. See you guys in my next video. Bye.